Hi, my name is Jason Sturgill. I'm an artist from Portland, Oregon, and I'm sitting in my new SolidBuild studio. And we just built this in the last couple of weeks. I spent a lot of time researching for a different studio solution for our backyard, looking at all sorts of types of situations that could help me work away from the kitchen table and give me some space to paint and do other things. And finally, after over a year of really researching, I came across SolidBuild and the product, and was just blown away by the quality of the designs and the materials and everything that I saw. I was just really impressed. And then once I began speaking with the folks at SolidBuild, and just the customer service from beginning to end has been really amazing. My wife and I are both not the handiest of people. We can fix things here and there, but we would have never have thought that we could take on something like building a structure such as this. And between the two of us, we did the main sort of part of building the structure. Of course, we got some help with some of the more difficult things like laying the foundation. We had some help where we put in a paver foundation. We also got some help with the electrical work, and then kind of finishing it off with insulation in the roof and the flooring, and then we put on a metal roof as well. For lighting, we have these canister lights that we put in, LED, with some smart switches so I can control from my phone. And then we have an external light as well. But yeah, it's like a great size. We got the Bristol 13 by 11, and it's, as you can see, big enough for my desk and a workspace to work on paintings and things like that. We also found an AC heater unit that's just a floor unit. We put a hole in the wall, and it's equipped. It's more than enough to heat and cool the space. Has been pretty warm, hot summer here in Portland this year, and it's kept me cool. And yeah, so overall, very impressed with the SolidBuild product, and have recommended it. A lot of friends have been over and have been blown away by what we've done and what the product is. It's just, for the price, I mean, like I said, I researched for over a year just trying to find something that fit within our budget. Also that had the aesthetic that we wanted to go with, for. There really isn't a lot that fit in kind of that narrow space of like really good aesthetic, quality builds, and affordable. And then you'll see on the outside, we used a dark, like black stain to match the paint of our house. And yeah, I think that about covers it. I'm trying to think if there's anything else to say, but we highly recommend it. We have had a great time putting it together, and it's been a wonderful experience. Thanks.